I was fanning myself all the time, and random people that I didn't even know kept saying to me, "You really need to go see this doctor." And so I found my way to her, and she said to me, after looking at all of my test results, "You really need hormone therapy. It's going to help balance every part of your body, and it's going to help your autoimmune so that it doesn't get worse." And she was right. It really helped. I had a lot of pain from my autoimmune, and surprisingly, the hormone replacement took care of it. So when I moved to Florida, where my daughter is from, I did what she said. You need to be using pellets. And so the first thing I did when we moved here was went online and found AgeRejuvenation, found Dr. Erickson. She's been amazing. I couldn't believe the amount of time she spent with me when I first became a patient. After all of the blood tests and the thorough diagnosing that she did, going over everything that she found in my blood work, I am now on an amazing blend of vitamins that blend with what she does with the balancing of my hormones. I'm 64, going to be 65 in 3 weeks, and I feel fantastic.